This video is about solving radical equations, and these are very basic ones. So the first thing we're always going to do is isolate our radical. Isolate the radical and then use an inverse operation. So for us to isolate the radical here, we just need to divide because this -2 has been multiplied. Remember, whatever we do to the left, we always do to the right. Those cancel. We get the square root of 2x minus 4 equals 12. From here, in order to undo that radical, we are going to square both sides because the index of the radical is 2. Those cancel. We get 2x minus 4 equals 144, and then just solve. $74. There we go. There's the first one. Again, isolate the radical and then undo the radical by using an inverse operation. In this case, the index is 3. Therefore, for us to undo this radical, we don't need to square both sides. We need to cube both sides. The cube undoes the cube root. 3 cubed is 27. And then just solve. 27 plus 16 is 43. There we go. Then lastly, we're going to do the same thing, but this time a little more challenging because we have a variable on the other side, a variable that is outside of the radical. So again, isolate the radical, which gives us the square root of 2x minus 7 equals x minus 5. Now square both sides. The square undoes the square root, but on this side, we're going to need to square x minus 5. So first sides, outsides, insides, and last sides. That allows us to now have a quadratic equation where we will set equal to 0 and then attempt to factor. So let's combine like terms first. -5 and a -5 is a -10x, and then minus 2x plus 7 gives us 0 equals x squared minus 12x plus 32. This can easily be factored. The factors of 32 that add up to 12 are 8 and 4. From there, set each factor equal to 0, which gives us x equals 4 and x equals 8. And if you plug them both back in, let's check and see if they work. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 5 is not 4. 4 is extraneous. It does not work. If we plug in the 8, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 works. So when you check for extraneous solutions, I did it on the other two, but you totally can. This is a good time to do it when you get 2 solutions.